What's up, everyone? I'm Connor Salazar-Coughlin, and who is that?
Hi!
What's your name?
Mikey.
Yeah, Michael Cressman. Welcome to our second vlog. Right now, I am on a bike. Ha ha ha. We're heading to Mikey's house. We're gonna pick up his stuff, and then we're gonna sleep over. Ha ha ha. Are you excited as I am? 'Cause I am. Yes. We just got to Mikey's house. He's gonna pick up his stuff, as you can see. And yeah. Alright, guys. We just had a pretty bad day of sleep, or a pretty bad sleep. I don't know how you'd say it, but because I'm stupid. Anyways, I built a fort last night at like 1 a.m. He was already knocked out, and we just woke up. Bye-bye. Alright, guys, we're cooking now, or mostly me, because Mikey's not doing anything. You see this? Is about to turn into scrambled eggs. Woo! Alright, guys, we're at Goldberg's farm. Yeah. What's up, Mr. Alpaca? Get some carrots. Here. Eat a carrot. Okay.
These guys are hungry.
I know. Oh, yeah.
It's so cute.
Yeah, that's adorable. I mean, they're all pretty cool. Oh, that's pleasant. We're eating food. Got some hot chocolate. What are you eating? You're eating a cheeseburger. Alright, guys. We're now in the store. Checking out all kinds of stuff like this. And this. And this. Oh, yeah. We just had some food. It was okay. I mean the hot chocolate was Mikey. Mikey just pushed me into another lady.
What's the point of...
Do we get Mikey? Ah, good choice. Good choice. Like, I'm excited. I want this one. Oh, I actually kind of like this. I mean, I don't want a big pumpkin like that. I want like these. I don't really like. I don't like how many humps they have. I don't really like the humps. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. We were at Home Depot checking out some cool Halloween stuff. Welcome.
What's up, guys? I'm at Home Depot right now, and I might need a fan for some reason. Don't know why. See, now look at this one. This one's pretty. I have to look at this one. No, I like this one. Come here.
Yeah, I'm up for $150. Yeah, I can blow you away. Ha ha!
Ready? Set.
Just go. Alright, guys, hope you enjoyed our second vlog. Please like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.